start. Good morning, student. On last turn, I do the questions from 1 to 5 of exercise 10.2. Now, today, I am going to start the questions from 6 to 9 or 10. We will see it. Now, see the question number 7. Two concentric circle of radius 5 and 3 centimeter. This is the concentric circle. Concentric circle, the circle whose centers is same. These are the two circles whose center is same. 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. This is the 5 centimeter and the smaller circle radius 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of larger circle which touches the smaller circle. This chord of larger circle touches the smaller circle. So we have to find this chord AB. This is M. Solution: AB is the chord of larger circle touches smaller circle at M. So OM is perpendicular to AB because tangent is perpendicular to radius at a point of contact. So in triangle OBM, OB square is equal to OM square plus BM square. OB is 5 square, OM is 3 square plus BM square. 25 minus 9, 3 square is 9, BM square 16 is equal to BM square. BM is equal to square root 16, that is 4 centimeter. AB is equal to twice BM, 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. Question number 8. Very important question. ABCD is a quadrilateral circumscribed a circle. This is quadrilateral, it circumscribes the circle this is ABCD, which circumscribe at PQRS. You have to show that to prove AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Now proof AP is equal to AS. The tangents from exterior point are equal. The length of tangent from exterior point are equal. Also BP is equal to BQ with same region. CR is equal to CQ with same region. DR is equal to DS with same region. Add these equations. Add equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. So AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. These 4 are added and these 4 are added. AP and BP, AP plus BP, it become AB. CR plus DR, it become CD. Take AS and DS combined plus BQ plus CQ in combined. It will be AB plus CD, AS plus DS become AD and BQ plus CQ, it become BC. Hence proved. See the question number 9. It is also very important question. In figure 10.13, xy and x dash y dash are the two parallel tangent of the circle. So this is the two parallel tangent xy and x dash y dash with center O. Another tangent is AB. This is another tangent AB with the point of contact C. With the point of contact C, prove that angle AOB is 90 degree. This is the point P, this is the point Q. Join OP and OQ, that will be the diameter, and also join OC. Construction: join OP, OQ and OC. Proof: in triangle AOP and triangle AOC, AP is equal to AC, tangents from exterior point OP is equal to OC, radii of a circle OA is common. Therefore, triangle AOP is congruent to triangle AOC by SSS property. When triangle are congruent, so this angle will be equal to this angle. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. So, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is angle 3 and this is angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Similarly, PQ is a diameter so angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. In place of angle 1 is equal to angle 2, right angle 2. In place of 4, right angle 3. Twice angle 2 plus twice angle 3 is equal to 180, 2 common, angle 2 plus angle 3 and angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 upon 2, this 2 common denominator, and angle 2 plus 3 is what? This angle AOB. Angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Hence proved. See the question number 10. Prove that angle between the two tangents drawn from external point of a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center. This is a circle, this is a point P, these are the two tangents. You have to show that this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. Given a circle with center O, AP and BP are two tangents from exterior point E. To prove angle AOB plus angle APB is equal to 180 degree. Proof angle OAP is equal to angle OBP is equal to 90 degree because these are the tangent and tangents are perpendicular with the radius at a point of contact. So in quadrilateral OAPB, angle OAP plus angle OBP plus angle AOB plus angle APB is equal to 360. OAP is 90 degree, OBP is 90 degree, AOP plus APB is equal to 360. Therefore, AOB plus APB is equal to 360, 90 plus 90, that is 180. So it is equal to 180 degree. So this will be proved, hence proved. So you will do it. Question number 6 of exercise 10.2. Thank you.